Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 105 cans of tuna and 84 packets of rice. And the question requires us to pack equally into boxes, and there's no remainder, and it is the largest possible number. So all this tells me that it is the highest common factor that we are looking for. Alright, because only a factor, then there is no remainder. So we should approach this as a HCF problem. So I will have 105, 84, and I'm going to start with the smallest prime number. So for prime numbers, we start with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 2 cannot. So the next number would then be 3. That can be divided by both values, and this will give me 35. 84 divided by 3 will be 28. So the next number that can be divided by both 35 and 28 would be 7. This will give me 5 and 4, and there's no more common prime factors. We stop here. And therefore the largest possible number will be equals to 3 times 7, 21 boxes. Okay, we look at the values here. This will be my highest common factor. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.